Hey, what's up, guys? We're right here with my boy Christian.
What's up?
About to do a demo. We're right here at the Hacienda Heights Trail. So we're gonna walk all the way up, show you guys a little sample. And if you want my boy to give you guys a class, leave your comments down below. It's my boy Christian, and we'll put his Instagram right at the bottom so you guys can follow him. A ver, cuéntame de tu vida.
Actualmente estoy estudiando en Montserrat. Soy parte de MD Elite, equipo pro de MD, y estoy trabajando en la favorita bakery.
Ay.
Attention Deficit Hyperactivity Disorder, or better known as ADHD, is a mental disorder that affects an individual's ability to focus, causing them to move around more frequently. They may also have trouble controlling their impulsive behaviors.
One time for them praying on my downfall. 2 times for the homies in the child hall. 3 times for them on the internet when they really should get out more. 4 times for the days that were all bad. 5 times for the they ain't called back. 6 times for the kids like me who got ADHD just kidnapping like ISIS. Whoa. Turn the whole world to a crisis. Whoa. Walk around the city with an ice pick. I've been paranoid, usually I ain't like this. Ain't no telling how crazy I might get. Beat the police with a nice stick. In my whole life I've been lifeless. Now I'm so fly, I'm a month flight risk. Whoa. Till I pass out. Whoa. Throwing stones at my glass house.
All right, guys, we just finished the video. We hope you guys like it. Again, why don't you tell everybody how they can find you?
Yeah, sure. Guys, you can follow me here. That one's going to be my Instagram, Danny Edwards with double C. You'll see it right there. Check it out.
Yeah, we're going to be doing a lot more videos, and let me know if you guys want Christian to come on up here and actually teach a class. We'll do the video for you guys. Just make sure you guys post your comments and follow him on Instagram.
Dope. See you guys.
3, 2. No, empezó mal, again. No, let's do it again, huh? And you go. D, do the hand? No, the arm. I'm gonna crawl up and then go. Yeah. Ready?
I like that.
Yeah. The crawl. So move the hands first, like move the hands, and then go to the crawl. Yeah. You get me? 5, 4. Wait, 3, 2, 1.
Okay.
There you go.
It's
It's okay. Kid, why don't you tell everybody how they can find you?
Instagram, Danny Edwards. Otra vez. ¿Cómo se dice?